Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our battery terminals. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the bolts securing this side bracket on the side. Okay, we're going to use a pick to release our little lock here. You just press down on this little tab right here and disconnect that. Go ahead and set your harness bracket aside here like that. Use a 13mm socket and a couple of extensions to go ahead and remove the battery hold-on block. Go ahead and remove that. And use an 11mm socket to loosen and remove these two nuts right here, securing the management system. Just want to loosen that. And you can grab your battery. Pull it up and set that aside. I'm going to come right down here to this connector right here. On the back side of the connector, you're going to reach around, push it on that little tab, and I'm going to use a screwdriver to gently push on it while I press in on this tab and release this like so. It's a lot easier to do. Once we have the battery disconnected and removed from the vehicle, we're accessing it right underneath where the battery would be. Using a T27 Torx bit and our ratchet, we're going to go ahead and remove the 3 screws. Remove our ratchet and use our Torx bit to go ahead and spin these screws out. There's one. Second one. And our third one. You know, grab this unit here. I'm going to grab it right by the neck right here and gently pull that straight forward. Pull it right out. I'm going to use a towel here just to clean the surface. Take the new unit, go ahead and set that in, line up the holes, and let's go ahead and get our screws installed. So I'm going to get all 3 started by hand, and we can go ahead and snug those down into place. Now this doesn't have to be super tight. You want to make sure that once that screw gets snug, you just want to give it just a little bit more. So we're snug right there. Just a little bit more. We're going to repeat this for the other two. And snug. Just a little bit more. That's snug. Just a little bit more. Grab the harness connector. Line that up. And push it on. You want to make sure that that clicks on. Let's go ahead and install our battery. We'll go ahead and push our battery back in the tray. Make sure that it's in its locking tab. I'm going to install our locking block right here, or our wedge. Once we have that started, we're going to go ahead and snug that down. At this point here, you want to make sure that that bolt is snug. You also want to make sure that the wedge is tight. And go ahead and grab the battery and give it a couple tugs. That's pretty secure. Just going to install our ground terminal here. Bring our positive terminal over. We'll go ahead and snug down our terminal here. I'm going to check these terminals, make sure they're nice and tight. And place our boot back on the top here. Just going to go ahead and bring our cross beam over. Let's go ahead and get our bolts started here. And get the two front ones started by hand. And by leaving these loose, it'll give us the adjustability to line up the back bolt. And get that started. Let's go ahead and tighten those down. Let's go ahead and connect our connector here. Line that up. Press that on, you'll feel it click into place. Then you want to press on our little gray lock tab, lock that down.